What's up guys? In the last tutorial I showed you guys how to follow your shrink line about 2 inches at a time, which is a lot easier to master and learn, but as you get better there is other faster methods. In this video I want you to see how I attack the corner first. I bring it almost all the way to the top before I start working on the rest of the film. I am tackling the most difficult part first, and I am not going 2 inches at a time. I am reacting to the film as it's shrinking. This does take some time and experience to learn, but in the long run it will make you faster. I am still going to work the film in 4 sections like stated in the previous tutorial, but instead of working in an even line, I shrink down the corner first, then I switch over to the center, which should be a lot easier to shrink. Since you are shrinking a lot of film all at once, you have to be careful when pushing the film with your felt card. Follow the waves on the film. The film will tell you in which direction it wants to be pushed. Do not steamroll over the film and force it. You will crease it. If you haven't already, if you could hit the like button for me and make sure to check out the description down below for any useful links. Check out my social media pages and subscribe to my channel. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or ask in the Facebook group. The rest of the shrink is very similar to the previous method. Once you get to the bottom 2 inches, it doesn't change much. I'm going to speed up the rest of this video so you can just see how I tackle the other side. Also, make sure to watch the next tutorial where I go over tips and tricks with a close-up view of the film shrinking before you attempt your first rear windshield shrink. Before I speed up the rest of the shrink, I want you to see that in this top corner, I noticed the film started to bunch up. That comes from experience and reading the film. A beginner would have just kept going and eventually would have got a heat crease. Instead, I decided to lift the corner, introduce some air, pull slightly on the film, and readjust my shrink. This type of skill will come with time, patience, and lots of practice. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video and watch the rest of the shrink.